Hey guys, Captain Keith here from Clearwater. I'm just going to do a little follow-up video on some comments we had on a prior video on the Boating Tips series, where we were pulling a 54 Aquila out of the slip at our St. Petersburg location. A lot of you noticed that the Aquila emblem on the steering wheel wasn't centered or wasn't straight. It wasn't flush flat across here like that when we were pulling out. So we talked about when you're pulling out of the slip, you want to have your rudder straight. So this is hydraulic steering, and I can overturn the wheel, and that emblem, who knows where it's going to end up. But if you want to have it centered and straight, so right now it's offset, my rudders are straight. To straighten this out, all you have to do, if you've got auto, is you hit the autopilot button. It goes into autopilot. That's going to hold your rudder straight. So at that point, I can take this steering wheel, I can level it out so the emblem's straight across here. Then I just take it back off of auto, put it back onto standby, and now my steering wheel is straight flush across here, the emblem is, and then my rudders are straight as well. So with hydraulic steering, it may be upside down, sideways, you never know. All you got to do to straighten it out, go to auto, straighten out your wheel, and then put it back onto standby, and then she'll be squared up. I hope this quick little run through helps answer some of your questions, and does show you that we do pay attention to the comments. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you out on the water.